Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn and discuss how to write a program that will ask the user to give centimeter and then our program to convert to feet in inches in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded videos. So we have here sharply include IOStream, and then I have here a function convert height. It will have accept height in centimeter, height in feet, in inches. Now, so we have here a conversion centimeter to inches. This one convert to inches to feet, calculating the remaining inches here. So the percent is modulus, for remainder int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program, and then we have series of variables: height cm, height feet, in height underscore inch, title bar program, centimeter to feet, in inches in C++, enter height in centimeter, calling the function convert in height, height underscore cm, height underscore feet, height underscore in inches. So new line here, and then we display the result here. Return 0, return to our operating system. We close our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my website. Let us click the run button in code blocks. Centimeter to feet in inches. In C++, enter height in centimeters. Let's say 178. So height in inches is 5 feet in 10 inches. Okay guys, so this is the end of our presentation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.